Leaked image appears to show the iPhone 15 Pro with a USB-C port and a titanium design. Leaked images and not renders? Well, easy over there.
Yeah.
Easy over there.
Legit.
That, you know what that, you want to know what that looks like to me? It looks like a USB-C port.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me. And it looks like the same type of screw heads that Apple uses and the speaker grills that Apple uses. And you know what else it looks like to me?
Huh?
It looks like titanium.
Oh.
These are all things I like. Well,
Ah.
I like titanium. What is that song called? Titanium? No. What am I thinking of?
Was it Katy Perry or something?
No, is that Katy Perry? No. I am titanium. Is it Katy Perry? Maybe.
Something like
I
that.
don't know. Why do I have to think about that right now?
It's a good song.
I am titanium? Is that what it means?
Yeah.
Like I am?
Yeah.
Wow. Because it's strong and durable and
Oh, David Guetta.
Is it? Okay. I am titanium. Yeah.
But who sings it though?
Apologize for that. You know. Everyone's saying Sia titanium and David Guetta. Okay, that's what we rely off.
Thanks, guys.
Following the report on the first CAD renders for the iPhone 15 Pro this afternoon, newly leaked image may offer a look at the iPhone 15 Pro's USB-C port and a rumored new titanium design. Well, you got to go titanium. You got the Watch Ultra now. You're going to call this phone Ultra. You want to sell the damn phone, don't you? So I got the Watch Ultra going, and then I need the phone Ultra to go with it. And you know what it's going to have? You know what I'm going to want in it, Will? I'm going to want a titanium body. I'm going to want fast charging over Type-C. And I'm going to want a nice little hold switch on it that's orange in color. That's what I'm going to want.
Of course.
I'm going to want increased durability. You know what else I'm going to want? Increased battery life. Can you deliver, Mr. Tim Cook?
Titanium.
He is titanium. Do you think they're going to get
Making
Sia?
up lyrics?
Do you think they're going to get Sia at the
We're gonna
keynote?
get copyright
and
there.
David, well, because I'm hitting the note as well, right?
Yeah. It's uncanny.
You know, I put the Withings watch back on, the less smart smartwatch with 30 days of battery life.
Yeah.
I just put that back on because I was just, I wanted something less distracting. I turn off notifications anyway. It was so annoying when you're shooting videos and stuff and you got personal information popping on your wrist. Like, and Mo's like, hey, make sure your wrist is off. And I'm just like,
Yeah.
God,
It's not
man.
a good look.
It's a lot on display, isn't it?
And it's a nice look.
Type of messages. I like the battery life. I still get the tracking going on. And, want to know something weird? Even though I got the giant wrist going on with I'm wearing the small one. I just said, you know what? I actually couldn't find the big one. I go, you know what? I'm going to wear the small one. And now I don't even really notice that much. It's lightweight.
Yeah.
It's lightweight. It's got a classic design to it. I'm tracking a thing or two.
Okay.
So let's just see how it goes.
All right.
See how it goes. Not made of titanium.